Good morning, class 5th. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, this is your maths period. Take out your maths notebook, your maths book, and your stationery. Now, open your maths book and come to page number 59. We were doing exercise 4B. We have done till question 8, right? Today we will do question number 9. So note down question number 9 from your book. A snail is at the bottom of a well. In the first 5 minutes, it climbs 24 3 upon 14 centimeter, and in the next 5 minutes, it climbs another 18 6 by 7 centimeters. How far is the snail from the bottom of the well after first 10 minutes? A snail is at the bottom of a well. एक snail कहाँ पे था? well के बिल्कुल bottom में था. In the first 5 minutes, it climbs 24 3 by 14 centimeter. Starting के 5 minutes में उसने कितना climb किया? 24 3 by 14 centimeter. And in the next 5 minutes, it climbs another 18 6 by 7 centimeter. जो next 5 minutes थे उसमें उसने कितना climb किया? 18 6 by 7 centimeters. So the question is, how far is the snail from the bottom of the well after first 10 minutes? So question ये है कि snail कहाँ पे था? well के bottom में. So starting के 10 minutes में snail bottom से कहाँ तक climb कर पाया है? So note down question number 9 in your notebook. Open your notebook and write down today's date, 25 August 2020. Then write down classwork. Write down exercise 4B. After that, note down the question. A snail is at the bottom of a well. In the first 5 minutes, it climbs 24 3 by 14 centimeter, and in the next 5 minutes, it climbs another 18 6 by 7 centimeters. How far is the snail from the bottom of the well after first 10 minutes? Note down question number 9. Then write down the answer with me. So answer: snail climbs in first 5 minutes कितना क्लाइम किया था उसने? 23 3 by 14 centimeter, right? And in next 5 minutes कितना क्लाइम किया था उसने? 18 6 by 7 centimeters. So firstly, these are in mixed fractions. So firstly, we will change it. So 14 multiplied by 23. So take a rough paper. So 23 multiplied by 14. 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 1 3s are 3 and 1 2s are 2 plus 1 3. So 2 9 plus 3 12 3 plus 1 4. So 422 plus 3. Sorry children, corrected. This is 24 3 by 14. 24 3 by 14. So we have to multiply 14 into 24. 14 and 24. So 4 4s are 16 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. So 6 8 plus 5 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 2 plus 1 3. So 336. So 336 plus 3 339. So 339 upon 14 plus 7 into 18. So 18 into 7. So 7 8s are 56 and 7 1s are 7 plus 1. Sorry, 7 1s are 7 plus 5 12. So 126 plus 6 132 upon 7. Now 14 and 7. Now take LCM of 14 and 7. 14 7. So 7 2s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. 2 1s are 2 and 1 as it is. Now LCM is 7 into 2 is equals to 14. So 339 upon 14 plus 132 upon 7. See, इसका डिनोमिनेटर ऑलरेडी 14 है, सो हम इसको चेंज नहीं करेंगे. इसका डिनोमिनेटर 7 है, तो 7 के टेबल में 14 कब आता है? 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. सो न्यूमरेटर में भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ 339 upon 14 plus 132 multiply by 2. So 132 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So 264 upon 14. Now denominators are same. So we'll add both the numbers. 339 plus 264. So 339 plus 264. 9 plus 4, 13. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 603 upon 14. Now divide 603 by 14. 603 by 14. So 14 4s are 56. Subtract 10 minus 6 4 and 6 will become 5. So 5 minus 5 0. Now 3. 14 के टेबल में 43 नहीं आता है. So 14 3s are 42. Subtract 3 minus 2 1 and 0. So मैंने आपको एक फॉर्मूला बताया था क्वोशिएंट रिमाइंडर अपॉन डिवाइजर. सो क्वोशिएंट इज 43. Remainder is 1 upon divisor is 14. So this is the answer. So snail is 43 1 by 14 centimeters far from the bottom of the well. ओके, सो स्नेल कितना फार है अभी बॉटम से? 43 1 by 14. कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन. Done. After that, note down question number 11 from your book. Ram Kumar mixes cement with sand for some repair work to be carried out in his house. राम कुमार ने सीमेंट और सैंड को मिक्स करके एक मिक्सचर बनाया है अपने घर में किसी रिपेयर वर्क के लिए. ही यूज्ड 3/5/6 kg of cement and 1/2 kg more of sand than cement. He used 3/5/6 kg of cement. उसने 3/5/6 kg of cement का यूज किया and 1/2 kg more of sand than cement. जितना उसने सीमेंट यूज किया उससे 1/2 kg मोर, मतलब अगर उसने 3/5/6 kg सीमेंट यूज किया है तो उसने 3/5/6 प्लस 1/2 kg सैंड यूज किया है. इन ऑल ही नीड्स 10 kg ऑफ द मिक्सचर. उसको टोटल 10 kg का मिक्सचर चाहिए अपने रिपेयर वर्क के लिए. सो डज ही हैव इनफ मिक्सचर? उसके पास इनफ मिक्सचर है. इफ येस, हाउ मच मोर डज ही हैव? इफ नो, हाउ मच मोर डज ही नीड? अगर है तो उसके पास कितना ज़्यादा है, और अगर नहीं है तो उसको और कितना मिक्सचर चाहिए. सो नोट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इन योर नोटबुक. Question number 11. Ram Kumar mixes cement with sand for some repair work to be carried out in his house. He used 3/5/6 kg of cement and 1/2 kg more of sand than cement. In all, he needs 10 kg of the mixture. Does he have enough mixture? If yes, how much more does he have? If no, how much more does he need? Yes, note down the question. Now write down the answer. So cement he used 3/5/6 kg, right? And sand he used 3/5/6 kg of cement and 1/2 kg more of sand than cement. So sand उसने कितनी यूज करी? 3/5/6 kg plus 1/2 kg. सीमेंट से 1/2 kg more. So now सीमेंट कितना है उस पे? सीमेंट कितना यूज किया उसने? 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 5 23/6 kg, right? And sand कितना यूज किया उसने? 3/5/6 kg, which means 23/6 plus 1/2. So now take LCM of 6 and 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 ones are 3, 1 as it is. So LCM is equals to 2 into 3, which is 6. So 23 upon 6 plus 1 by 2. LCM is 6. 23 by 6 का डिनोमिनेटर 6 है. सो 2 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 2 3 are 6. सो न्यूमरेटर में भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ 23 upon 6. 23 upon 6 plus 3 upon 6. See, 1 3s are 3 upon 2 3s are 6. So 3 upon 6. Now denominators are same. So we'll simply add the numerators. So 23 plus 3 is equals to 26 upon 6 kg. So sand उसने कितना यूज किया? 26 upon 6 kg. Now total mixture. टोटल मिक्सचर कितना था? टोटल मिक्सचर उसको कितना यूज करना था? इन ऑल ही नीड्स 10 kg ऑफ द मिक्सचर. उसको टोटल कितना मिक्सचर यूज करना था? 10 kg. सो टोटल मिक्सचर इज इक्वल्स टू 10 kg. नाउ वील चेक वेदर सीमेंट और सैंड कितना मिक्सचर बनाते हैं. सो हमारे पास सीमेंट कितना था? 23 अपॉन 6 प्लस सैंड कितना था? 26 upon 6. So denominators are same. So we'll simply add the numerators. 23 plus 26. So 23 plus 26 is equals to 49 upon 6. Okay. So sand और सीमेंट का दोनों का मिक्सचर मिला के कितना होता है? 49 upon 6. बट उसको टोटल कितना मिक्सचर चाहिए था? 10 kg. अब हम देखेंगे कि क्या ये मिक्सचर 10 kg के इक्वल है या नहीं. So we'll subtract 49 by 6 from 10. So 49 by 6 को हम किससे subtract कर देंगे? 10 से. So 10 का डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है. So we'll consider it as 1. So denominator of 1 and LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. Now do one thing. LCM of 1 and 6 is equals to 6. So now 10 upon 1 minus 49 upon 6. So 1 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 1 into 6. So न्यूमरेटर में भी 6 से मल्टीप्लाई. So 10 6 are 60 upon 6 minus 49 upon 6. Now denominators are same. So we'll simply subtract the numerators. So 6 60 minus 49. Now subtract 49 from 60. 60 minus 49 is equals to 11 upon 6. So to convert it into mixed fraction, we'll divide 11 by 6. So 6 ones are 6. Subtract 11. Subtract 6 from 11. So answer is 5. This is quotient. This is remainder. And this is the divisor. Okay. So the answer is 1 5 by 6 kg. Now question क्या था? Does he have enough mixture? If yes, how much more does he have? If no, how much more does he need? So answer is no. He needs 1 5 by 6 kg more mixture. 10 kgs कंप्लीट करने के लिए उसको अभी 1 5 by 6 kg का मिक्सचर और चाहिए. ऑल राइट. कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन. Now children, question number 9 and question number 11 we have done in classwork. Now question number 10 is your homework. This is a simple question. Question number 10 is your homework. Do this question in your notebook, okay? So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much class 5th. Take care. Bye bye.